You're tuned in to Radio Everon, the hottest spot on your radio dial. And speaking of things heating up, looks like we've got a caller on the line. Hello? You're live on Radio Everon. Who's this and where are you calling from?
This is Jacques from St. Philip. Long-time listener, first-time caller. Huge fan.
Welcome, Jacques. What's on your mind today?
Well, awful news, but I'm calling to report a crime of the coldest order. Someone has stolen my snowman right out of my yard.
Stolen your snowman?
This afternoon.